Okay, this video we have 3 items that got from Amazon. One of them was supposed to be in when I did the review of the plasma cutter. It didn't show up, but it finally did. So let's get into it. All right, first up, Glyde for brakes. I'll turn it around where you can read the back. If you want to pause the video to read it, what it's for and all that good stuff, you can. Everybody knows what it's for. I'm sure the comments are going to go wild over that. Anyway, next up, Klein. That's pretty cool. And then next up, let me get the camera down here to show you this one. I don't want to tip it over sideways. Okay, we have a little case of the consumables for the plasma cutter. Now, all this stuff was supposed to be in when I did the, for me to put it in the video when I did the review of that plasma cutter, the bestarc. This stuff is from bestarc. There's the tips and the electrodes. And like I said, it came with 3, but it only came with 1 of these. The cup and the guide. So this is a 40 piece. It did not come in this little plastic case. I could have paid $8 or $9, something like that, $10 extra, and it would have came in a case that had foam inserts in it, but it only fit what was in the kit. It wouldn't, you couldn't add to it. So I had these that I got from one of the stores. It wasn't Walmart. I forget what the store was. The Plano cases. I got 3 or 4 of them still. So I just put it in there. Anyway, let me get this Klein tool open and show you it. Okay. Obviously, I'm not going to open this. It is what it is, right? It's a tube. It says uses all metal contact points, caliper pins, and all that good stuff. You don't have to use it just on brakes. You can use it on whatever you want. Okay. This, let me take this back off, turn it around. Hopefully you can see the sizes. It's 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, and 9/16. And what these are, in case you didn't know, these are flip sockets. One side's, that side's a 5/16, that side's a 1/4. All you do is just flip it around on here. It even has a little magnetic tip in there for whatever size you want to use it on. Now, you can leave these on here. I probably would. Or you can take them off and put them wherever you want and you store them somewhere. And then it would just be a long piece like this, right? And then, of course, you just put whatever size you want on there. That is the 1/2 inch. Now, you have to slide, once you put one on here, even if one's not on here, you have to slide them off this way. Let me put them back on here. That's probably the way I'm going to keep it and use it that way, depending on which size I need, of course. But I'll just probably keep it like that, unless for some reason I need these are getting in the way of something, but probably won't. But with it like that, no matter which one you have it on, what size, it's a magnetic tip. That's pretty cool. And of course, you know, if you didn't know, now you know. It goes in your impact drivers. That's awesome. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.